Okay, so let's just recap and refresh to remember everything that happens in the paint cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and start playing the simulation. Um, Make sure we're starting at the beginning. So if we recall what we're doing here, we have some artwork that we want to paint. We want to move back and forth between the paint tray and our individual stripes. So the first thing you're doing is, this is the part that you all will be changing, is coming up with a kind of simple logic and simple geometric figures that you want to paint. And then we have to try to figure out how to modify this script here in blue for your paint pattern. The second part of this is maintaining the similar logic to what I have here and what I've explained, so that it doesn't completely break the definition and that you can reuse it for your own artwork. Otherwise, you'll have to start again. Finally, we need to move back and forth between the paint pickup and our pattern, and that's achieved by the weave component. That's pretty much it. Everything else should remain the same as what we've seen before, where we're generating our program, we're giving the program generator our list of targets, um, we're merging the start position, the targets, and the end position, and there's no errors. And then we simulate and upload. So it's pretty straightforward. Most of the definition doesn't change. The only thing that should really change, if you don't break this logic, is this first um, pattern generator for your own artwork. So I hope that helps. This pretty much wraps up the paint cycle series of tutorials. Of course, it can get more complicated depending on how much layering you want to do with different inks or paints, and how many of these cycles you're stacking. So this is probably the simplest case, where we just have a series of linear elements that we're moving back and forth. Okay.